Okay, so this particular video is for those of you out in chainsaw land. This is a inherited Mac 110, made in California, as you can see. And this is what I've done. I've taken the crap out of it. This is from a friend who passed away, and I don't know how you acquired this. We had set out to fix it, get her running and cutting shit down. That never happened. And now I'm remodeling my mom's house where it was stored at, and this is part of my secondary mission. So, after putting new plugs on, those ones, this is the original plug, as you can see. That won't do much for you there. Looks like I tried one of these. Champion. And one of these, the split shot guys. And I thought maybe it was wrong. But the guy at the Home Depot said everything would fit. It should work, but I feel like there's a deeper problem, which lies in this ancient mechanism known as carburetor. So what I noticed was a few things. If you look close in there, there is some where was it? I guess we can't zoom in. Yeah, right there at the edge. I still think it would it would run like shit. Just not run. So then, over here, I had noticed that this is pretty stiff. This here gasket. And this one underneath here. But this, getting the light. These little holes here were clogged up. So I actually pulled up, this was the primer. So that guy was here in that hole. This is gooked up. There's just some of the leftover gook that was in there. The little spring I can't lose, that was on the end of that. The needle's clean. I just pulled that out. Clean it up a little bit. That's got air flowing through it. So I guess my question is, where can I get this gasket? I want to just rebuild it now at this point. And then, do I even need one? The other point, well, I guess I should clean this all up in here. For now. So, this other gasket, I noticed, looks like maybe at some point some jabroni got in there. Focus. Got a bunch of scratches on that plate there. So I guess I'm asking for suggestions. You know, get her running. You kind of see in there, the piston doesn't look too bad. I'm right in the way of the light. I think this will work. There you go. There you go. So, it did sit for a good, I don't know, 10, 15 years. Inside don't look too bad, I guess. I don't know. I'm not opposed to taking the whole thing apart. I think it's a fun project. And this project, sponsored by Moosehead Beer in the Moosehead Lodge, just so you know. But yeah, if anyone has any suggestions what I could do to fix this puppy, or if I'm on the right track. Yeah, there's the chain. There's the handle, doohickey. Yeah, and that's it. Alright, leave some comments below. Bye.